Okay guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to allow your visitors to register for your webinar using Facebook. The first thing you need to do is to create a developer account on Facebook, and you can do that at developers.facebook.com. Once you have done that, you'll be able to create an app. In the end, what we need to do is to create an app, get the app ID, and get the um, Facebook app secrets, and paste them in WebinarIgnition for your users to be able to register with Facebook. So I'm just going to walk you through the steps and show you how it's done. The first thing you need to do is get to developers.facebook.com, click on create an app. So I'm going to choose the first option, click on continue, give the app a name. So let me call it webinar app, and then I'll say it's for myself, my business, create app. Security, submit. Okay, cool. So I'm ready to start configuring my new app. So the product we'd like to use is the Facebook login. So let's choose that and then set up. And web, choose web. Okay, so here we need to specify the URL of your website. I will choose WebinarIgnition.com and then save and then continue. Okay, that's fine for now. So the next thing we need to do is to head over to the settings section. Hold on, let me just check something. Oh yes, we're supposed to head over to the Facebook login settings section, and then scroll down to the where is it now? Redirect URIs, valid or redirect URIs. So in this field you need to specify the URL, the URL of your registration page. So I'm just going to make it WebinarIgnition.com and first dash webinar as an example, and then save changes. Okay, cool. Then lastly, we need to get the Facebook app ID and the secret. So head over to settings, and under settings click on basic, and then copy your app ID and your app secrets and head over back to WebinarIgnition and paste the values in WebinarIgnition, save. Then your users will be able to register with Facebook. One more thing I forgot to mention, guys, is that wherever you have to specify URL in Facebook for your settings, please do make sure that your URL has HTTPS and not just HTTP. So this means that your website has to have an SSL certificate installed. If you don't have an SSL certificate installed, then the Facebook registration won't work on your website. Thank you.